started in 2017 preparation for the national game 2018 for taekwondo in the state of Goa. Government is spending crores of rupees for sports. I am particularly thankful for Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, not because he is the Chief Minister today, because it was Mr. Manohar Parrikar in 2002 who have given the maximum grant to the sports in the state of Goa. He increased the national amount to 5 lakh from 75,000, from player kit from rupees 75 to 350 rupees, kit amount from 7,750 to 2,000. He is again now Chief Minister of Goa, who have declared 2018. We are hosting in the SAG Kampal Indoor Stadium from 14 to 17 this mega event of state national. Altogether around 900 taekwondo players from different parts of Goa are participating in the state championship. The entire event is controlled by national and international referees. This is very important because all the players are from Goa. There are Goa also you find national and international referees. But the player always have a doubt in their mind that the decisions are not correct. So for that reason we have got neutral referees from Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andhra and Madhya Pradesh. 40 officials from Taekwondo Federation of India will be conducting this 4 days event having 900 participants.